Hello class, in section 6.3 we're going to learn about sales tax, commission, and discounts. Sales tax and commission are almost exactly the same. It's just that the words are different. One is sales tax, one is commission. And then for discount, that's where we are having to pay less. So first I'm going to start with sales tax. So the formulas that you need to know are sales tax equals the tax rate times the purchase price. So, and the tax rate is a percentage, so always use whatever that number is over 100. And then the total price equals the purchase price plus sales tax. So you're going to be asked, what is the tax on something and what will it be the total price? So the first thing, let's do one of these. Let's say that we have that the tax rate is 8.5% and the price is $59.90. So it's going to ask what the tax and the total are. So to do this, first thing we're going to do is 59.90 times 8.5 over 100. And when we do this, we're going to get $5.09. Now our total is going to be the $59.90 plus the 5.09. So it's going to be $64.99. Let me write this neater. So $64.99. So all we're going to do is whatever the cost is times the tax rate over 100, and then we're going to add that to our original price, and we're going to get our total. The next type of a question is for commissions. And like I said, these are pretty much the same thing, except that it's the commission rate times the price. And usually this is going to be when you are selling something. So let's say that you're selling something that costs $47,632 and your rate is 6.6%. What is your commission? So we're just going to say 47,632 times 6.6 over 100, and we're going to get 3143.71. Okay, you'll also have some questions of any other kind of tax. So like what kind of property tax, or even for, let's see, if there's property tax, and then also for tips in a restaurant, you're going to do them the same way. You're just going to do the percentage that you're going to give, or what the tax is, times what the bill is, or what the amount is going to be, and then you're going to add that to the original. And remember, always for your percentages, put it over 100. Okay, so the next type of thing is going to be a discount. And here, the amount of discount equals the discount rate times original price, and then the sale price equals original price minus the amount of discount. So on this one, we're going to subtract. So again, this is when there's a discount. You're gonna, and sometimes it's gonna say it's a percentage of, sometimes it's gonna say percentage off. So let's say that we have 35% off of $700. Okay, so we're going to do 700 times 35 over 100 and get 245. And so now that's what our discount is going to be. So 700 minus 245 is going to be 455 for the total. However, you might be asked, I'm going to use these same numbers though, but it's going to say that the price is 35% of 700. So if you don't see the word off and it's just of, then you're just going to say the 700 times 35 over 100 and it equals 245. And so that's as far as you need to go. So be careful on the way that they're worded. Some of them are worded just of, and some of them are worded of off of. When it's off of, or when it says that the discount is some percent, then you're going to have to do the subtraction. If all of it says is that you're going to pay 35% of something, then you don't need to do the subtraction. So another way that things are written in this section are for amount of markup. So the amount of markup equals markup rate times original cost. And so then the list price equals original cost plus amount of markup. Now you're going to see a lot of these in wholesale going to resale. So what it's saying is that the original cost is what the people are paying for it, like the store, and then they're going to multiply that by the markup rate, and then they're going to add that amount to the original to get their list price. So if the original is $250 and the markup is 40%, what is the list going to be? So to do that, first we have to find what the 40% of 250 is. So 250 times 40 over 100, and that's going to equal $100. And so now we're going to add that 100 to the 250, and we're going to get $350 equals the list price. So on these, basically it's just how much more you're going to have to pay using that percentage. And those are the types of questions from 6.3.